This device here was sent to me by my good friend Sean over at Ghost Stop. Now, it's a tracer, so when you plug it in, it holds a charge, but I want to keep it plugged in so the battery does not die. But when you turn it on, you'll see, first off, it's going to do its quick check. It's going to run down, and it'll come back. But the nice thing about this device is it picks up motion, and it also picks up temperature fluctuations. And you'll be able to actually see if something comes in an area, and if it moves up towards, moves away, or if it's there and it just decides to cross over a certain area. It'll help you document any type of activity that might be going on. So as you can see, it's picking up a little warmer from my hand. That was the purple light that just went off. If it was colder, it'd be picking up blue. As you can see, it lights up white, but then it stays red for a couple seconds to let you know, hopefully visually, that you'll be able to see it. Now, it'll also change temperatures. It'll be blue for 2 degrees colder and also purple for 2 degrees warmer. That light will change. And this is a really interesting device. They're working on some really interesting devices, and this is one that really intrigues me. I think there's going to be a lot of possibilities for this, but check this stuff out over at Ghost Stop, ghoststop.com. Good friend of mine, been a friend of mine for nearly 20 years, and he's always trying to advance the field of the paranormal. So check it out. Here we go. Now let's see if we catch anything.